Three descriptions of depersonalization, part one. I want to do this series because depersonalization is incredibly difficult to describe to people. It's not like a pounding heart. It's not like sweating or shaking. It's not objective. It's very subjective. And unless you've experienced it, you pretty much are going to find that nobody really understands what you're going through. Even whenever you try to describe it the best you can, you're going to find that most people will not understand what you're going through unless they've been through it themselves. So I wanted to have a series where we can give some more language to describing depersonalization. And I'm also going to do a few videos on derealization and how to describe derealization as well. And if you identify with one of these descriptions, then maybe you can take that to a licensed mental professional and also take it to your friends and family and help describe what's going on. So before I get into these three descriptions, my name is Jordan Hardgrave. I once suffered with debilitating depersonalization and derealization for years. I was able to fully recover using a body-based strategy based on neuroscience. I've taken everything that I've learned for how to fully recover from DPDR, not just my own recovery, but helping thousands of people around the world, and I've put it into an online course. There's a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and get into this. These are from people that have experienced depersonalization, and they're really good at describing how depersonalization feels, much better than even I was whenever I was experiencing these symptoms years ago. So this person says, it feels like your conscious brain has detached and you aren't attached to your body. Everything goes dull, like a filter has been turned on. This second person says, feeling like I'm not me, like I'm looking at someone else's body when looking at my hands. I can't grasp the fact that they are, in fact, a part of me. I could stare at myself in the mirror all day and not feel like they are my eyes looking back. The third description, you feel out of your body. You just feel numb. You feel like you're an observer, like you're just watching a movie or a TV show about your life that you don't have any control over. You just feel like you're on autopilot. You look in the mirror and see yourself, and you just can't believe it's you staring back. Everything just feels blank. So, do you identify with any of these descriptions? If so, let me know in the comments below. Also, please like this as well as comment. I already just asked you to comment. So, yep, comment and then subscribe. That's the one thing I was forgetting. Please join the Fearless family and also turn the notifications on, because on YouTube, it's very, very difficult to get your videos seen, and that's all creators. And I think it's just because there's so many people on the platform. But if you want to get notified about this series, I'm going to basically do, I've got my outlines written. I've got at least probably about 9 or 10 videos just on this particular subject of describing depersonalization, derealization. So if you want to be notified about these videos, make sure to click subscribe. And also, I've got a lot of content planned for you guys. Those of you who've followed me for a while, you've noticed that I've been kind of sporadic with videos. It's just because I've been so busy. I have an inner circle now, which is weekly group coaching, and I also try to do like a live stream every couple days. I do videos every couple days. I also do one-on-one coaching. So anyway, there's just a lot going on, but I actually have hired somebody to help me with YouTube to come up with ideas and to be more consistent with this. So I can't wait to help you guys out a lot more. I'm also going to be doing more YouTube live streams. I'm going to try to do it at least once a month, hopefully more than that. So anyway, that is it. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon, my friend.